Welcome to my channel. Again, today we will be cooking a whole chicken. I have the chicken sitting over here already. What I'm getting ready to do right now is put some onions, just some vegetables, different vegetables in the bottom of the pan. I'm just going to use salt and pepper. And the reason why I put the onions at the bottom of the pan, and I'm going to sit the chicken on top of a little roaster that I have. It doesn't fit all the way in the pan, but it is going to do its job and make it work. That's so that the air can flow underneath and throughout the chicken. I'm going to put it on for 1 hour. I'm going to set the oven at 425. I know somebody probably say, oh, she wasting all the onions. Oh, well. Only thing I'm going to do is add salt and pepper. I'm not going to add too much other seasonings. I'm going to throw some seasonings down on the vegetables so that they can grab that juice. Yes. Let's cut that up, put that in there. Yes, I have a red onion and a white onion. I'm not cutting them real small, just dice them up as you see. Up in there. I have my vegetables. Put them up in there like that. So they can grab some of that nice flavored juice that the chicken will give off. So yep, I even have some tomatoes that I'm going to throw on there. So, yes. Put it down there like that. Put them to the side. Yes, I already had cleaned that stuff off ahead of time before I got on camera. So, we good with that. As you see, this is the vegetables. Make a nice little pot. I'm going to add some salt and some pepper and some poultry seasoning. This is pepper. Add that down there. Poultry season. That's for chicken. So I'm going to add that down there. Kosher salt. I'm adding that. This was not even open. That's all right. So go ahead, just open this up real quick. And I'm going to also put this salt on top of the chicken. Seasonings on top of that. I have the chicken on top of this roaster. Sorry. Trying to minimize the light so you can see. And I'm going to let it sit like this so that it's air flow from the bottom and it comes up for the chicken. Now, I will be putting on. I need to do my salt first. Yes, I need to do the salt first. So when you add the salt, you want to make sure that you get the salt all over the chicken. Yes, I'm making a video, baby. I'm going to flip it over. I want to add the salt. No, I don't have no string to tie the chicken up, but that's fine. To add this right here.
Wait a second. Don't you forgot to hit my mom subscribe.
Yes, hit my mom subscribe. You heard my grandbaby. What I'm putting in the middle, I'm going to stuff the chicken with an apple. I'm sit that right up in there. I need to strain to tie this here, but that's not happening. Not today. So, I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit of poultry season. Excuse me. Yes, you know, anybody know pepper? Pepper get you going, Jack. Pepper get you going. And I ain't gonna add too much of this poultry season. Alright. So I'm gonna shake that down with some butter. I'm gonna add some butter on top of that. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven for an hour. I'm not gonna cover it because I want my skin to get nice and hard and crisp. So that's why I'm gonna tap it with some butter. I don't have a little brush to butter it with, so what we're gonna do, get down. I'm gonna take a napkin and I'm gonna fold it over and I'm gonna brush it on like that with the butter. So what I did was put my butter in the microwave so I can melt it down. Sometimes I take and rub the butter down on it, but this time I'm gonna melt the butter down ahead of time. Let me make sure that I lower the rack in the oven because the chicken is sitting up a little high. So I don't want the rack to be too high. No, I don't want it up too high. I don't want the chicken to be touching the top part. Butter helps everything. I may need to I'm going to have to add some more seasoning on top. You see how the butter is just, because it's already liquefied, it's running down. Yes, I should have let it sit a little bit so it can, you know, stay. That's fine. That's fine. Let's add some more salt. And some more pepper. That's how we're gonna do it. That's how we're gonna do it. I even got some butter stick spray to add on top. So I'm looking for that. Excuse me, crisp shine. Yes, as you see, I got my face inside my shirt because I can't help it, but the pepper's making me sneeze. So I don't want to go near that food, you know? So, definitely. I didn't use my hands. I put my face inside my shirt. Yep, so that's that. And then we'll go ahead, we're going to stick this in this bad boy in the oven for 1 hour. And we'll be right back. There it is. That bird's going in. Yes. Oh, nice, baby. All right, we're going to take this out the oven. Ooh, look at that baby there. It should read 165 internal. That's how you know it's done.
Take some of these shirts off. It's too hot.
Alright, there we have it. $165. And there you have it. That's the apple you see up in the front. And because I didn't tie the arms together, that's why you see a little crisp there, but that's fine. There you have it, there you have it, there you have it. That's a roasted chicken, oven roasted chicken. Another meal that you can make. This chicken actually only costs $6.85. This will feed a family of 5. Meat nowadays is getting very expensive, so I wanted to make sure that I did a little video, because we have a lot of parents now home because of COVID-19 that need to cook, that don't know how to cook, because everybody's so used to fast food. So I figured doing a couple little menus, a couple little different meals, putting it on here just to show something simple. And sometimes I just don't want to use a whole lot of seasoning, you know, because some people just only have salt and pepper. So I wanted to make sure just using just salt and pepper would make your food just as good. And just using some of the things you have in the house. Thank you and enjoy, and thank you for watching my channel. Stay tuned, because I will be coming back with more.